In this video, I'm going to show you how to create variable product on your WooCommerce online store. Look, when you create variable product, then we have some extra option that need to be explained. So all settings and option related to variable product we're gonna explore in this video. So hello guys, I'm Imam Sadiq and welcome to WW Engineer. Now I'm already in WordPress dashboard, so I'm going to product tab and then click add new product. Today's video we're gonna tag example product iPhone 16. So I write here product name iPhone 16, and then the right side we have to set here product main image, feature image. I select first one, set. Now scroll down, we have to set here some product gallery image. I select other 4 images, add to gallery, and then we have to set here some category. So first I'm gonna create parent category Apple, click add new category. Now again create another category that is iPhone as a child category. So select this Apple and click add new category. So you see it is selected. Scroll down here, we have to write some product tag. If you have any old tags related to this product, then you can find it here. So Apple already available, and then we have to write some other tag, comma to separate it, mobile, iOS, iPhone 16. That's it. Now create add. You see our all tag has been added, and we have to put some information. Look, all the information, description, price, etc. I'm gonna put in this video. That is just for tutorial purpose to show you the procedure actually. Hope you're not going to compare in real life. So copy and paste it few times. Now same thing I'm going to put here, just change it long, and again copy and paste it multiple times. Now scroll down product data. So this is the main section we're gonna work here. So if you click this drop down, you see variable product. So click. Now to create variable product, first we need to create attribute. You see here variations. If I click variation, then you see first we need to create attributes. So I'm gonna click attributes. To find your all attribute, click this box and you see the colors. This is our global attribute. We have created our previous video and discussed detail about global local attributes. So click, and if I click here, then you see we have 3 values. So iPhone doesn't have blue, green, red, so I'm going to create new value. So create new value here, white, okay, again black, okay, and ultramarine, okay, teal, okay, pink, okay. Look at here, I have created 5 colors value. Apple launched iPhone 16 in 5 colors. After putting all values visible on the product page, if it is unchecked, you have to check it, otherwise it's not going to show on the product page. And then used for variation, if it is unchecked, you must check it. Now I'm going to create another attribute, that is storage. iPhone has several storage, so add new store as. Also, I'm gonna put here some value, 128 GBs, pipe to separate the value, 256. Okay, then click save attribute. One more thing, look, I just created here 2 attributes, colors and storage. You can create more attribute like screen size. Even if you want to create all iPhone 16 variant in a single product, then you can do like, iPhone has 16 plus, 16 Pro, 16 Ultra Max Pro, like this. Okay, for now I'm going to create variations, and here you see we have 2 options: generate variation and add manually. If you click generate variations, then it's gonna multiply our all attributes value. For example, we have storage 3 values and colors 5 values. That means 5 into 3 15. Let me show you. Just click this generate variations, and here is the alert. It can run 50 value at once. So okay, you see 15 variation has been created. If I scroll down, then you see all possible variation is created now. Here one row means one product, every separate row means separate product. Okay, let me show you now one more thing. If you do not give here any price, then it's not going to show on the product page. Also you see here it is written. Let me show you. If I click here, first one black and 128 GB, I'm going to put here some example price like 800 and one image. This one set variant. Now if I click save changes and publish this product, and let's view this product, scroll down, and if I click this colors variant, you see only black is available and its storage 128 GB as I told you. Okay, again come back here, and now you see here message 14 variation do not have price. So let me add price to all 14 variations at once. So click this add price, and I'm gonna put here 1000 add price. If you expand all of them, if I scroll down, then you see here first one 800 and then 1000, again 1000. Everyone has now 1000. Okay, close. Again, if I update this product and come here this page, refresh this page again, if I click these colors, then you see all colors available now. If I click storage, everything is available. Okay, now one more thing, after refreshing the page, you see here we have to select first time any color, any variant. But if you want, you can make something default, like after refreshing the page black or pink is selected automatically. Let me show you. So first one black 128 GB. So from here you see default from values, no default color black, and storage 128 GBs. Again update, refresh this page. You see now automatically selected black 128 GB. Okay, and that's all our gallery image. Now you see here another drop down bulk option. So click this. You can delete all variation at once. You see we can remove one by one, but if you want, you can delete all of them together. And then status toggle enable, toggle downloadable, toggle virtual. So by default all variant is enabled. If I expand, then you see it is checked enable. So from here if I click toggle enable, now you see all are visible. That means it's not going to show on our front end page. Okay, again I'm going to make it enabled, and if you want to make all variant downloadable, then you can do same thing, virtual, and then pricing tab. So in pricing tab you see set regular price. Also you can set here regular price. So we have already put regular price, and then increase regular price fixed amount or percentage. Let me show you the usage. So if I click this, and first let me add fixed amount like 100. So okay, now if I scroll down and expand, then you see our old product has been replaced. It's 900, 100 has been increased, and scroll down you see everyone has been replaced with extra 100. You see, now come here and Again, if I click here, increase regular price with percentage and I 50% and click OK. That's mean if I expand all of them, then you see the calculation OK. You see, extra $550 has been added. Now again, click here. So you can do same thing with decrease regular price, and then set sale price, increase, same thing you can do with sale price. And here another thing, set schedule sale dates. Okay, first we need to add sale price, so I'm going to add sale price, for example 1000, and click OK. Expand, then you see here sale price added. Okay, now you can schedule this from here. Okay, but we're going to do the same thing from here, all of them together. So click this set schedule. Now we have to put here start date. Okay, for example, I'm gonna put 5 February 2025. Now click OK, and again put here end date. So I'm gonna put 2025 02, then 10th February. Click OK. So now if I expand them, you see all have this date. Okay, again click and let's see what options we have left. So now in inventory, you see here to go manage stock, stock status, in stock, out of stock. We have discussed detail about this inventory in our first video. If you don't see, you can see that. And then shipping, you can set here length, width, height, advance. Downloadable product, you see here download limit, download expiry when you make downloadable product. Then I'm gonna explain in details about them. Now, one more thing, if you don't like to create all this variation and manage all of them, it is a little bit hassle. If you don't want to tag different price for different color, only you want, like you will put different price for different storage only, that you can do. Also, let me show you how to add manually. So first I'm going to delete all these variations. So delete, okay, and click add manually. Then you see here colors, so I'm going to keep any colors, all colors same price, but in case of storage, first I'm gonna select 128 GBs. So I'm gonna put here 800 and tag a image, just any image. Again add another manually, any colors but storage 256 GB. So here select any image and price 900. Now if I update this and refresh this page, so from here you see any color I select, the price is same. Okay, but when I change the storage, the price is different. Okay, but if you want, you can create different variant for different color, different storage, as you will see before. So that's all for today. Hope you have learned something new. Also hope you like and comment this video. If you have any question or suggestion, don't hesitate to share your thoughts. Thanks for watching.